Number 7, De Los Santos. The number 9, Cabangon. The number 17, Lobbies. Full of jumper. And number 9, Cabangon. Offensive foul, number 9. Number 19, Herrera. The number 6, Capistrano. For 19, Herrera. Rebound number 14 is Daniel. Number 23, Estrella jumper, no good. Number 19, Herrera. Second, team ball by Attorney Sophis Cardona. The 7 to number 17, and the number 7 De Los Santos. And there's number 6, number 7 De Los Santos, the number 35. Rebound number 19 to number 23, Estrella. Attack, side step, jumper, no. Rebound number 31, Solano. No, Mesa Solano, number 14 is Daniel. Graciela. Rebound number 35, Graciela. Batangin ang ball sa number 35, Graciela. The number 7, De Los Santos. The number 21, Canson. Race and play, number 21, Canson. Tying in the ball is number 21. 10 seconds on the shot clock. It's showtime dribbling by Canson. Number 7. Number 9, Cabangon. Okay, mapapanood nyo po yan sa YouTube. Number 21, Canson. Number 35, Graciela, ball three! Just seconds on the shot block. Number 12, San Juan. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Number 9, Cabangon. Brian Silva, number 21, San Juan. Number 7, De Los Santos, and number 9, Cabangon. Rebound number 12, to number 1, Mustasa. Number 14, Espanya. Humor. 3 minutes and 25 seconds left dito sa ating final quarter. Humor, number 7, De Los Santos. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 22, Humor. Bang! Number 20, Humor for 3 points.
Nagsanyasan silang dalawa eh. Ha? Nagsanyasan sila. Gumanon, si Gracela.
Ah, nagsanyasan.
Sila, pag nag-replay, tumataas lang kami si Gracela doon sa sulat. Ay, gago naman si Tito.
Rebound number 29. Dito.
Gagong Tito.
Number 20, Boris Guilera. The number 7, De Los Santos. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 15, Raya. Yes!